Today 咪 pork chop 豬扒飯咯，嗰陣炒啲炒飯喺個底啦，咁啊 brine the pork chop。
Wait, this thing is crazy.
慢慢啦。
I don't know why it's like that.
而家咧，而家 brine the pork chop 即係 brine 佢，呢度有4塊 pork chop。
And you brine it.
3羹糖，3羹鹽。
Okay.
And then about that much water 倒落去啦，就等佢啲溶咗啦，咁就 brine 佢爆2 days。
And it makes it more tender.
Yeah, makes more tender。而家我 brine 咗啦，咁就而家就 rinse with the cold water， 攞出嚟食都得
Do we
嘅。
get to pound it?
Yes.
I pound it.
Yeah, you pound it。呢度4塊 pork chop， 中意有成塊又得，你中意切咗佢一嚿一嚿又得，但我中意切開佢，我留翻啲煲我嚟煲湯。I save the 煲我嚟煲湯嘅咯。俾個 square 包豆咧，就等佢啲水 even 啊，洗乾淨佢啦 ，rinse 佢啦，呢度 rinse 佢濕一 dry 啦，我哋烹咗佢擠落披薩又得 ，up to you。
Who taught you how to make this?
I learned it from the TV 啦，咁我咪又 try 一個咯。呢個你洗翻乾淨要 save for next time。OK， 你 brine 佢吸唔吸法都冇問題。
You just gotta fill it up with water. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, doesn't matter. Pour the water like this, and then they put the
It's okay.
糖 and sugar on there.
3 spoons sugar, 3 spoons salt. Fill it up with water.
Now don't fill too much, you know. About half, you know.
Okay.
Less than a half.
Alright, let's pound it.
我就中意 take 個 bone out， 嗰陣我留翻啲 bone 嚟煲湯。Now you pound it.
Okay.
另一個嘢烹啦。
So you got this. You use this side.
This side.
Watch your finger. Yeah.
喺入面一個比較放喺個底冇咁嘈。好快煲上去，等佢冇咩咁多 noise。
Smart.
OK。
Okay. See you some.
Yeah. 得啦！哎呀！
It's like an earthquake.
我烹好耐。
What you making pork chop on?
我炒嗰啲飯喺個底嗰度整，豬扒飯呀。
Are you gonna cook or no?
Cook.
In the oven? Oh wow, you're gonna make the real way. That tastes so sick.
咪就係 try 啊。
Because usually cook the pork chop anyway, so cook it on top of the fan, healthy. See you some.
Yes.
Don't be like me. Dai tao ha. Storage. That's your storage. In your cabinet.
都唔嚟㗎。近嚟 K 個藝術嚟呢啲真。
Better?
Sure. 呢啲飯食咗 no good.
Fat is tasty.
Not this kind.
You could leave the pork chop whole, right?
People like it the whole one. 呢個 whole. Tender cut 嘅好啲，呢個包唔係幾靚，呢啲唔係 tender cut。
你食咗餐嘛？
我食咗好多嘢啦。
你食乜嘢？
我食麥皮，又食薯仔，算咯。
細啲嘢。Hey, you want me to do it? I do it.
No, that's okay.
Watch the cutting board. Cornstarch.
你好 Cornstarch 姐姐啊，我哋中意俾啲呢啲落去啊。
Oh, Creole Seasoning.
Yeah.
Tony crackers.
咩啊？我唔知啊。死
Yeah?
啊！
Huh?
咁我撈下佢。
So this has salt, pepper, cayenne powder,
Yeah.
garlic
呢度有晒㗎
powder,
啦，呢度有㗎啦，等佢有啲味道啊嘛。
salt, red pepper, black pepper, chili powder,
咩都有。
garlic. Oh, this is easy, yeah.
如果你係有就俾呢啲，冇就俾 salt and pepper and paprika。
Paprika.
Yeah, and 俾啲 garlic powder、onion powder 咁撈
Okay,
啦佢。
done. So you use your right hand low on coil.
Yeah.
This one you pour.
Right.
That's how you do it.
Yeah. How much? I want to save a half one to 炒飯。
Just a half an egg.
half egg 得㗎啦。
Whisk it with your hand. Just a little egg.
Yeah.
Cornstarch.
Now it's
cornstarch.
cornstarch. 俾得咁多油先係俾 cornstarch。
No, but the yao always laugh.
好唔緊要啊，呢啲唔同啊。
I say cornstarch in Chinese. My fun. My fun.
幾滴油落咧
So always put oil last except here.
？OK，夠啦。
Cornstarch.
啊，同我倒啲落咧。
How do you say cornstarch in Chinese? My fun?
粟米粉，
Soak my fun?
粟米咪 corn 咯，粉咪咩
This much?
呀？好啦，2個咁多，邊個啦？ 仲有一斤。
The cornstarch coats the meat,
Coat the meat.
make it crispy and tender.
Yes, right. 有嘅冇唔夠先，一陣間再俾啦。好，如果你係中意 crispy 咧，你就最多啲。啲酥佢個嚿嚿有 cornstarch 醃過嘅，煎得㗎啦。
Pan fry. You could deep fry too, would be good.
香港豬扒飯咪係咁樣整咯。
Oh, okay. 香港你係香港 girl.
Yeah, now give me the tomato 啦，切咗啲 tomato。
Okay. So you make the tomato sauce with the gok ji pa fan.
Right.
Some people put cheese on it, but we don't.
要你中意咧，我就俾啲啊。
Too much cheese in it.
你低啲拉啲。
點解？
凍啊！佢好翻。
Good. Ketchup, how much?
多tablespoon多啲咁多 tablespoon。
This much?
No, more.
More?
Okay.
Oyster sauce.
About teaspoon 啦，夠啦。俾 half teaspoon 糖啦 ，half teaspoon 糖。
So add some oil.
俾個玻璃㗎，呢個OK， 俾呢個裝，就食。
Too much.
做乜啊 ？OK。
Storage.
死佢呢度唔擠得嘢嘅啫，呢度唔拱得出嚟嘅，整得實咗啊！
是但啦。
冇，我個 spoon 呢喺呢度，呢個留翻嚟想我嚟炒飯啦，同我 hold 一 hold 佢，等佢嗰個 pan even 嗰個呢個嘅身up， 4塊豬扒啦，得食。
Well, let's open a restaurant.
咁老啊 ，open restaurant，
It doesn't overflow?
Yeah.
You have to open it. Now you put the pan. 好多豬扒。
食就唔多啦，俾啲雞蛋我。
炒飯。
No， 唔會呢啲，愛嗰個。
This one?
Yeah.
Why you put in there?
驚住唔夠食啊嘛。
Put in that one. You should have put in there more 多啲炒飯。
我都話 I do my thing, okay? Leave me alone.
Yeah.
就整少少嘅呢，我整好多咩？
I like 炒飯 better than 濃。媽咪唔食濃，淨係爸爸。
有翻啲出嚟啊！識唔得豉油咧
This one?
？Yeah. No, that's too. That's the oil.
Dark one?
Doesn't matter. Okay. The light one too. A little bit more.
Oh yeah?
唔好俾啦，
Okay. Where are you gonna put it?
俾嗰個喺呢度。
Oh, you put oil in there?
Yes，等佢唔 sticky 啦嘛。
Okay, that's the chow pan. Now we make the fan kaj and I help you clean up after, don't worry. I'm dishwasher. Water?
Yes.
Cover it up. 5 minutes.
Right.
From the G-pa sampling.
Yes. 一陣間就擠咁多番茄喺度，咁咪豬扒飯咯。一陣間興翻熱佢就食得㗎。哎呀！俾啲黐俾出嚟啦。
Okay, I got it. Do some, okay?
你兩個啊
I am doing it. Shit.
？Yeah, good. 起啦。
I don't know you.